Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jain enchiladas. We'll guide you through crafting this delightful dish, ensuring it aligns perfectly with Jain dietary guidelines. You'll discover how to select appropriate ingredients and prepare a flavorful filling without using root vegetables, onions, or garlic. We'll cover everything from assembling your enchiladas to baking them to golden perfection, making this a truly satisfying and wholesome meal for everyone to enjoy. For your Jain enchilada filling, focus on fresh, non-root vegetables. Think finely diced cabbage, colorful bell peppers, and sweet corn kernels. For a rich texture and protein, add crumbled paneer or firm tofu. Season generously with grated ginger, finely chopped green chilies, and a blend of aromatic spices such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Sauté these ingredients gently until tender, creating a vibrant and flavorful mixture. Now let's assemble. Gently warm your corn or flour tortillas. This makes them much easier to roll without tearing. Spread a thin, even layer of your homemade or store-bought Jain-friendly enchilada sauce over each tortilla. Then, spoon about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your delicious filling down the center. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly and arrange them seam side down in a baking dish. To finish, pour the remaining Jain enchilada sauce evenly over your rolled tortillas in the baking dish. If you like, sprinkle a generous amount of a Jain-friendly cheese alternative on top for a golden, bubbly crust. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until heated through and bubbly. Serve these delightful enchiladas hot, perhaps garnished with fresh cilantro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.